let me finish here by sharing it with you how it looked to use the ZavaX Bridge. So before using the bridge, you will need to have an Avalanche address set up in MetaMask. And you will need to have transferred some ZEC to a transparent address that is controlled by the same private key as your Avalanche address. In this way, your ZEC is wrapped into ZEC.z using an address that no one but you controls, including the bridge itself. Legal experts take note. Then you just select how much ZEC you would like to send and to what network. Initially, you will be able to send to the Avalanche C chain, but we anticipate these options quickly expanding to other cryptocurrency platforms, especially with the support of other foundations. So you click Continue. And here you confirm what you're sending. Click Bridge Now. Not shown, but at this point, MetaMask will pop up and ask you to confirm your intent. Your ZEC will then be wrapped. The main delay will be waiting for enough ZEC blocks to be written to confidently confirm that your Zcash transaction was successful. This takes about 20 minutes. It's possible to speed this up in the future to near instantaneous by partnering with a DeFi insurance company on the Avalanche side. And then your wrapped ZEC.z is available in your Avalanche wallet ready for use. By the way, ZEC.z will be configured to automatically bridge with layer 0 and possibly wormhole to other DeFi chains, so your usage options are not limited to just Avalanche.